I'm Kelly McDonald and welcome to 854 Agate Street. Come on in and I'm going to show you some of my favorite features of this gorgeous home. So we're standing here in the living room, and one of my favorite things about this space is how bright it is. There's tons of natural light and really tall vaulted ceilings. Gives it a really open feel. Another one of my favorite features of this home is this bonus room has been converted into a full movie theater. This is a great spot for families to hang out, movie nights, sporting events, you name it. Thanks for stopping by this beautiful beach home. For more information, you can visit the property's website at 854agate.com.